From now on, stop wasting money on new flip-flops. If your flip-flops break or wear out, don't throw them away. I'll show you an easy way to fix them using simple materials you already have at home. It's practical, inexpensive, and can make your flip-flops strong again, almost like new. Let's get started. First, prepare a drill bit that has a diameter almost the same as the rubber plug on your flip-flops. Make sure it's not too big and not too small, so it fits perfectly when you install it later. Next, grab 2 used plastic bottle caps, the ones we usually just throw away. Then make a hole right in the center. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Smooth the drilled hole first, so the final result will be perfect. Then cut a little bit on the side of the bottle cap, to make it easier to trim the center part. This is the amazing repair trick, using only leftover materials that we usually throw away. Now, cut the bottle cap and shape it into a ring. Do the same with the other one. This tiny piece will be the key to making this repair work, an almost unknown method to most people. Take a look. These 2 simple rings made from used bottle caps are now ready to fix your broken flip-flops. First, insert the broken rubber strap back into the sole, so the final step will be easier. Then slide both rings onto the strap. These rings act as a replacement for the lost lock. The hole in the center is made to fit perfectly, making the repair stronger, cleaner, and more secure. This is the key to the success of this simple but powerful repair method. After both rings are in place, move them to the top side. Then heat the end of the rubber strap with a lighter. The heat will make the tip expand a little, so the plastic rings stay secure and the repair becomes much stronger and cleaner. After the tip of the rubber strap becomes larger, pull the strap all the way up until it sits tightly at the top. Because the end is now bigger, it won't slip out, it's held firmly in place by the plastic rings we made earlier. Now it's time to add the secret step that will make this repair even more perfect. Add a small piece of styrofoam and apply a bit of super glue. The combination of styrofoam and super glue will create a much stronger and longer-lasting bond. The plastic rings will stick firmly to the rubber strap and the sole of the flip-flop, making the sandal last much longer and ready to be used again. Now we just wait for the glue to dry. It usually takes only a few minutes. While waiting, I'm going to fix the other flip-flop. This one is also broken, but the rubber lock is still there, so the repair will be easier. Stay with me, because the final result will surprise you. Your old sandals can look and feel like new again. The next material we need is a rubber water hose, the kind that construction workers usually use. Cut the end of the hose straight and clean, so the repair result will be strong and look more professional. The diameter of this hose must match the size of the broken flip-flop strap. Don't make it too small and don't make it too wide, because this is the key to a successful repair. Once the size is right, apply a little super glue inside the rubber hose. Then insert the broken strap into the hose. This step will bond the rubber strap and the hose together very strongly, making the repair much more solid and long-lasting. Now measure the length of the hose to match the length of the broken rubber strap. This step is very important because it will determine the quality of the final connection. Make sure the hose is not too long and not too short, so the joint looks clean and the flip-flop still looks neat and attractive. Insert the broken sandal strap that has already been connected with the rubber hose into the hole on the sandal sole. Before inserting the upper part of the strap into the hose, apply super glue inside the hose first. This step is very important to ensure that the strap adheres firmly inside the hose, resulting in a stronger and more durable repair. Now it's time to test the result of our flip-flop repair using simple and easily accessible materials. First, as you can see, the result looks very neat and feels extremely strong. Even when I pull it firmly, the plastic ring does not move at all. This indicates that the repair was successful. The plastic ring is securely attached to the sandal sole and functions perfectly as a replacement lock for the end of the strap. And for the second repair using a rubber hose, you can clearly see that the result looks very neat and visually appealing. Not only neat, but the repair is also proven to be extremely strong. Even when I pull it firmly, nothing comes loose at all. This shows that the repair using the rubber hose was successful, and the appearance of the flip-flop is now much cleaner and more attractive than before. The result of this flip-flop repair will help you save more money because you won't need to buy a new pair anymore. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and join our community today. We still have many more creative and useful ideas to share with you. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share this creative idea with your friends and family. It might be useful for them in the future. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.